Button tutorial on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step teach you how to create and use some buttons on Wix website editors. So firstly we need to create an account or log in to your account on wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. All you need to create an account, it's just an email address and suitable password. It's completely free and free forever. So next, as a very important button, we have create new site. We definitely need this button to creating sites. So if you don't know how to creating a site on wix.com, check my previous videos and I'm sure you will understand. It's pretty easy to creating a site on this website Wix. It's best options to create a site on wix.com because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, HTML. You just use a website to create another website. It's the best about wix.com and I like it pretty much. So I already did the site for this video. Now we are on editors page and I will show you how to create a button first of all. So we have this container box, welcome section, and I want to put here a button. For example, we need to click add elements. There you have a lot of options for buttons: themed buttons, text and icon buttons, image buttons, and so on. For this video I will choose this button, shop, because this website is about shopping, about selling t-shirts. So I think this button suits really nice. What I don't like about this button is the color. I think I need to change it. So I need to click design, customize design, and here you have it. You can customize it, you can do it black, you can even do gradient color. Yes, I will save this variant. You can even edit hover, add the layers, change the text. For example, I want to change the text. Double click on it and here you have a text. I wanted to change it and type buy now, and I can delete this icon, this arrow, but I really like this, so I will save it. So now our button looks like that, and one very important function is linking. So I want this button to link and redirect customer to cart page, either cart page or product page. Let's stay on this variant, and we can does it open current windows or new window. I'd like to new window, so I will save it, and we can, for example, change the settings of this button, like leave icon only, text only, nothing, but let's stay. And what we have, we can change the size, we can change the angle of this button, and very interesting function is use the drag handle to move an element up or down together with content beneath it. So check this out. You can see the container box is extended together with this button. It's very amazing, isn't it? I really like this function. But let's work with the size and with the position in this container box of this button. We need to click layout, and here you can have icon position. We have arrow as an icon, so we can change the positions of this icon, change the space between text and icon, very useful, and alignment, center of course, justify, right, left. So what we have next? Next, I would like to tell you about Wix pricing information. I really recommend you to use a plan on Wix.com. Actually, Wix is fully free website, but these subscriptions will help you to use the site more, to use the site better. So first of all, we have Lite subscription, get the basics, only $17 per month. Then you have Core, engage your audience, very useful, $29 per month. And the recommended one is Business, grow your brand, $36 per month. And the Business Elite, scale your business, $159 per month. I'm sure everyone will choose their plan. Just look what you need and what do you want. So in general, the site has a lot of functions. So I recommend trying to explore it by yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. So guys, I think that is in this video I showed you enough of the basics about button functions, button design. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next